Alright, boys and girls, a little something different today. We're doing a boat video. This is video number 1 of this boat restore. It's really not bad boat. It's a 1989 Angler. It's 20 21 foot. Trailer needs a little bit of work. It's gonna need an axle. It's actually gonna need 2 axles and leaf springs. But it's an aluminum trailer. The main beams are good to go. The bunks are good. The rear bunks, that is. This front one's gonna need some attention. I don't really like that. Plus, it's pretty grimy. Been sitting outside for about 2 years, from what I was told. Maybe a little bit longer. I'm not sure. Had to get it towed here on a flatbed trailer. So I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash this. Be a little peek inside, and then I'm gonna do a before and after.